Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today you'll get a lot of things from me. You'll get a lot of secret from me. It's one kind of vast software river for automation your business. If you want to automate your business, then it's best for you. This video is best for you, I think. So I refer you to download this without seeing anything. Because it's a very important software for business. Okay, at my description link here you'll get here you get your buy link here and you get discount if you buy from my link. So the secret or the software name is Cheatlayer. It's published maybe a short time in a short time like 2 or 3 days ago it was published. So its name is Cheatlayer. If you want to automation your business, then it's best for you. Here open AI machine learning is here, which automatically running business very effectively. So now let's get started. So to see the features of the Cheatlayer, okay. Paying for a tool and software engineer to automate workflow is like hiring a chef to microwave your frozen pizza. The reality is that your business needs, your business needs to connect a bunch of complicated tools to run every day, but you makeshift solution that isn't sustainable. What if you could build fully functional automations using no-code tools and machine learning all within a few minutes? So, generate business automation using powerful no-code and open AI products powered machine learning, no experience required. So, I think it's gonna be the best software ever. It's also alternative to Zapier. If you want to turn any automation into branded economic estimation to resell to clients super quickly, then it's best for you. It's best for actually this software recommends or it's best for entrepreneurs, marketing agencies, and small business. If you want to make a small business, then it's best for you. And want to build any automation without a software engineer. Okay, if you don't need any software engineer, then no need any software engineer. Then buy for it. Then buy it, and your business will work like the software engineer. Will like working like a software engineer. Okay. So if you want to see the another overview about this software, I can tell you Cheatlayer. Cheatlayer lets you build wide level automations using no code tools, external recorders, and open AI machine learning. Okay, if you want more knowledge about this software, then go to my description link. Here I will give you the link. Here you can buy it, or here you will click and you will get a lot of details here. So another overview here, if you want to run unlimited automation across any program and browser using state of the art computer vision or even user trained custom machine learning models. Video automation is no time by recording actions or choosing from preset action types. You can create your own unlimited integration services using webhooks that run in the background of your browser. Connect with business tools, including Google Sheets, Canva, and LinkedIn to automate everyday processes. The tool also lets you run countless scheduled automation over the extension or on the cheap cloud servers for time. You can schedule automation months in advance to run locally or on cheap cloud servers. Okay. You can connect with expert engineers via office hours and replace custom skills for your project. So another features I have to tell you or share you in that you will be able to convert any website into the API. An API even if it doesn't offer its own API yet. Cheatlayer also lets you create robotic process automation, very importantly, for desktop across Mac, Windows, Linux. You are not stuck performing deep tasks. Which you need Mac, which you need Windows, which you need Linux, no problem. Everything is there. So the last but not least, it's here. With Cheatlayer, you can generate automation using advanced computer vision and open forward language models, no matter your skill level. Automate business with no code solution. Okay, so now go to the plan and features. With connectors, you must redeem you to do the 60 days of purchase take unlimited to desktop automation, unlimited automation and local executions, turn any website into the API, build your own unlimited JPR, automate any website using JavaScript, generate scripts using natural language with AI. So I think if you already seen my video or you already enjoyed my video, I hope that you can understand all the features about the software. So don't be delayed. Just get this opportunity. It's limited time. It's 99 now. One time purchase off, and you will get lifetime deal. So if you want to buy now or you want to let me know or if you want to share this software anyone, just go to my description link. Just copy this link. You can buy from here or just share this link anyone who want this or who want to buy this. Okay. So and always beside with me, subscribe my channel and very thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.